Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to do a little refresh on my Hutch shelves. I have gotten so disorganized and it needs to be clean, and so I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to show you guys how I'm going to style my shelves for the Easter and spring season. I picked up a few things from HomeGoods and Hobby Lobby, and they have the cutest stuff out right now. So I thought it'd be fun to show you what I got and how I style. I know the whole shelving can be super tricky, and I'm always on Pinterest trying to look up new ideas, and I sometimes don't even know what I'm doing, and I don't really know what I'm doing today, but I thought I'll just bring you along for the process and we can do it together. And I hope this can inspire you guys if you're looking for this type of inspiration, or if you just like decorating videos. So if you guys haven't already, I would love for you to go hit that subscribe button below. And if you like this kind of content on my channel, let me know by liking this video. It really helps me know what to create or what content to create. And if y'all like to go follow me over on Instagram, I'm at @homewithhaley. So I'm gonna start by taking everything off and cleaning it up because it needs a major clean. And then I can kind of figure out everything that I have and where I want it to go.
One, two, three. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, no.
All right, so here are some of the things that I'm going to be using in the Hutch. I picked up a few things from HomeGoods, like these Ray Dunn mugs, and just some really cute Eastery type things, a little garland, some adorable little bunny plates, some signs. So just things that are kind of like Eastery but also neutral, and those are things that I will not be using over there. So let's try to see what I can do with this. All right, y'all, this is the end result, and I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. It looks so springy and so Eastery, and it looks organized and clean, and that is the best part. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some inspiration for your own shelves and for the new season coming up. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys hit that subscribe button, like this video if you like to see content on my channel like this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.